Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to begin right away. Make sure your AirPods are updated and both devices have Bluetooth enabled. This reduces conflicts. First, sign into the same Apple ID on the devices if you plan to use automatic device switching, because that's how iCloud hands off audio. Once done, open the AirPods case near the device you'll make primary and press the setup button until the light flashes. This forces a fresh, reliable connection. Now verify the primary device shows AirPods as connected before proceeding. Now pair the second device. Go to its Bluetooth settings and select your AirPods from the available list. Pairing again creates a separate connection record. If you don't want automatic switching, make sure automatic device switching is off on both devices so you can manually choose in the Control Center or Bluetooth menu. This gives predictable behavior. For Android or PC, press the case setup button and pair like any Bluetooth headset. After pairing, test audio playback on each device to confirm independent connectability. When you want to use the other device, choose your AirPods as the audio output in the device's Control Center or Bluetooth menu. If automatic switching is enabled, simply start audio on the other device and it should take over. If connections conflict or fail, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Repair both devices after reset. If that doesn't fix it, sign out of iCloud on one device, sign back in, and then pair again to clear account-level handoff issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.